You want a bag? You want to come with us? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for those of you who follow us on Facebook and Instagram know that we are going to Disney this weekend. Yay!
Yay!
We're actually leaving in like less than a day and a half. So right now we are doing a little packing video to kind of show how to pack for a quick weekend trip to Disney without having to pay for luggage.
No need to pay for luggage.
No need to pay. So we're just doing like the personal items because we are flying Spirit. So we haven't paid for any baggage. We didn't pay for our seats. The only thing we paid for is our flight. So we're doing the cheapest way we can. And this is all the things that we're going to be bringing. And we're just going to kind of show you like little tips and tricks on how to like save space and how to do it so that way you don't have to pay. So the first tip that we have is to use small bags. So we have Jenna here as Vanna White. This Vera Bradley bag I've actually had for a while. It's just like a shoulder like carry-on bag. And then I also have a smaller version of this. This is what we put like our toiletries in. There's like a bunch of little pockets in there. I love Vera Bradley. And then, so everything for the bathroom is going to go in this bag. And then this bag is going to go in this bag. Yay! And then Jenna's bag, we actually just got this one at Target the other day. It is just a little roller personal bag.
It's awesome.
She's really excited about it. So it's got the handle. This one also has a smaller pocket on the inside. The brand is American Tourister, so we know it's a good brand. There's just a few different pockets, one on the front and then the main pocket right here. So this is going to be a good bag. This one is for Jenna. And then also another tip is make a list. We have our list right there. It's pretty basic. Again, we're only going to be gone for like 4 days, so we don't need anything too excessive, except for this little guy. We want to bring him. That's Pudding. He's really sad that we're leaving. So aside from like bags and stuff, like that's pretty basic for us. And then a bag that we're going to be bringing to use at the parks is another Vera Bradley bag. I don't know the name of the actual like bags, but it's just like a little book bag. It's got a pocket in the front.
Sarah loves Vera Bradley.
I do.
She's a little obsessed.
And then there's another zipped pocket in the back, and then just like the main compartment, you can put like snacks and your phones and like any extra things you might need for the day. So this is a really good bag to bring just like to the parks and stuff.
So this is all the bathroom stuff we have. We like to go for the little mini bottles. Sarah really wants a label maker, so I guess we're going to have to get one because we might forget what's in here. So small little things. I think we got these at Target.
Yeah, they're like $1 each.
Like $1, you know, pay to live. The toothbrush things, always got a mini one of these. We always get a big one, and then we just fill the little one. Small little toothpaste, Purell.
Always need Purell. That's always good to bring on a trip.
Yeah, you know,
and of
just
course,
in case.
the Mickey ears.
Yeah.
I'm getting in the spirit because I'm excited.
Little makeup bag with stuff in it. The deodorants because you don't want to stink.
And for the makeup, like, since we're not doing anything like super fancy because it is a quick trip, we're not bringing anything like super expensive. And also, neither of us really wear makeup all that often.
We don't know how to make up.
I like never wear makeup.
Yeah.
You can tell. So we're just bringing like basic like eyeliner and mascara and stuff like that, just, you know, just to have. But it's never anything like super fancy.
We're not fancy. So that's all we have here. You got a brush, tame the mane.
Yeah, it's just like really basic stuff, so that way you can save space. And also, for those who generally use shaving cream, a tip that I learned is you could also use conditioner, so that way you don't have to bring a separate like shaving gel bottle.
Yeah.
Just put a little extra conditioner in there, or use whatever the hotel has. I know all the Disney hotels have their, you know, own brand of shampoo and conditioner, so you could also use that. So that way you don't have to bring shaving gel.
Yeah. And then we don't have our straightener here, but we'll bring a straightener, not a hairdryer, because why? There's a hairdryer there, and it's nice out.
And that way that'll save you space. You don't need to bring your own.
So yeah. bathroom stuff. Quick, easy, and simple.
On to the clothing portion of the packing. So we are going super simple for this. We're each bringing 3 tank tops. Very simple. 2 pairs of shorts, pajamas, and then just like a couple extra t-shirts. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw this one. This is from the Tim Tracker. He's our favorite vlogger, or my favorite vlogger. It says, "Take me to Florida." So Jenna got me this shirt the other day. So we're going to be bringing that along. But again, nothing too fancy. We're not bringing like dress up clothes, like any dresses or like fancy shoes. We're going to be wearing flip-flops, shorts, tank tops, and that's it.
Maybe a hat.
And of course, you know, that we have a couple hats. We have mini ears, and then my mini ears that I'm wearing. And then
we can't go anywhere without Piglet.
Piglet comes with us.
We got Piglet at Disney. It was our first trip together being together. So he comes with us everywhere. It's kind of like our little gnome because we're quirky.
Yay. So that is it for the clothes. We don't need socks since we're not bringing tennis shoes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then for fun things to do on the plane, we do have a couple little fun puzzle books that we got, just like word searches, and Jenna is quite literally hooked on cryptograms. She loves doing them, so that will be Jenna's fun for the plane. And that's it. Again, those are our little carry-on bags, basic packing, little bathroom stuff.
So I don't know if you're like us, but we don't like to pack until the night before, and some people think that's crazy. I don't know.
I don't think it's crazy. I don't know. I used to pack like a week in advance, and then I would end up going through it again just to make sure I didn't forget anything. So I started packing like the day before, or, you know, 2 nights before.
I make this really stupid list that is separated into categories a couple days before.
It works.
And then I do it the night of, and then I always make sure that I only cross out the things that are packed. And I know, so I put it in a separate column, that the charger, any pills we need to take, toothbrushes are all going in last.
And if you're going on like a really big trip, like if you need passports or anything, medications, that is always in a separate list of its own, like insurance cards, IDs, like really important stuff.
Yeah.
Then it doesn't get crossed off until it's where it needs to be.
So that's how we do it, to make sure that we pack everything. Not that we're seasoned travelers, but when we do travel,
it works.
It works.
And
so I don't know if that's something that helps you or something that you do. Let us know.
Yeah. If you have any other tips.
Let us know. Tip. So now we're all set and ready to go to Florida.
Yeah, we have one more day of work tomorrow, and then we leave Saturday morning. So yeah, I'm excited. So thank you for watching our packing video. I know it was short and simple, but again, thank you, and we will see you guys in Disney.